Hello, I bought this really destroyed iPhone 14. The display is damaged and the back glass is falling apart. So, in today's video, we'll try to fix it. Remove the two screws at the bottom and disconnect the back glass and battery. I am gonna be completely restoring this phone to pristine condition, so we will replace the frame, back glass and the display. We will also change the color from blue to purple. So let's start by removing all the brackets and disconnecting some flex cables. Start by removing the rear camera so we have better access to the logic board. The camera is now removed. Now we can remove the logic board. The logic board has two flex cables on the rear, so disconnect those. You can see that the new frame has already pre-installed parts, so we don't have to transfer the charging port flex cable, Taptic engine and power and volume button flex cables. By the way, if you enjoy these videos, please press the like button and subscribe. It is free. Start by screwing in the earpiece first. And then we install the rear camera. Be sure not to touch the camera and don't leave any smudges. While we are at it, I will also replace the battery. The battery is used but has only few cycles and 100% of battery health. Be sure to clean the smudges. And now we can apply the original back glass adhesive. Be sure to line it up properly and stick it into place. Connect up the back glass, screw in the bracket, remove the dust, close it up, and the back glass is now installed. Now it is time for the display. Apply the adhesive for the display. This is also original and I bought it from Apple self-service store. Be sure to stick it in properly and connect up the display. Remove the adhesive protective cover and remove the camera front stickers. Screw in the two screws at the bottom and the phone is almost done. Power on the phone and we have to pair the new display, back glass and battery. Tap the finish repair and the phone should reboot into diagnostic mode. Proceed with the steps and the parts should be now configured. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.